Hey, good day. Super excited. You're welcome to another Forex trading session with Mayowa, Owolabi. And on this session, I want to share with you what we're expecting on GBPCAD as an outlook. And it's on my radar because it's trending. Like, geez, it's trending. And that's why I decided to put this together for you guys. So basically, I wanted you guys to understand that the essence of trading is to leverage on imbalances, okay? Imbalances. What it means is that there must be a currency that is weak, there must be a currency that is strong. Now, if the two currencies are ranging, it means that the market will be ranging. If the two currencies, if GBP is strong and CAD is strong, it means that I should not be in that pair because it obviously means that there will not be differences for me to make money. However, when you have a pair that they are both, one is strong, when you have the other one that is weak, that is where you want to put in your money. That is where there will be chances of leveraging on the imbalances. And to get that, it produces what we call trending in the market. The market will keep trending. So you want to make sure that you are focusing your strength on pairs that are trending, because that is where the real money, that's where the real money is. So guys, you're welcome to this outlook, and I'm sure you guys are going to gain value as usual. So if this is your first time watching this video, make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell, so that when these kind of videos are uploaded again and we have a live session, you can always get a notification, because it's going to be a great time like never before. Okay, so one more time, you're welcome. Let's get straight to the screen, and we are good to go. So on this particular session, I'm going to be sharing something very amazing for GBPCAD. And what do I see on GBPCAD? I see a pair that is currently very, very weak. Okay, and if you go to the currency pair index, for a lot of you that follow me on the live session, you see that I've been talking to us about GBP pairs, that GBP pairs is going to be weak. And not because I feel like telling you it's weak, it's because the report that we have, both on the COT report and also on the chart currency index, is telling us that it's going to be weak. And when the market got to this engulfing imbalance zone, the market decided to keep going down. And in as much as it keeps going down, we just need to keep leveraging on it. So that means that BXY, which is GBP, is weak on this zone. So we'll move to the next one, which is CAD. And CAD, I told us about CAD because of the impulse move that happened here. CAD has more tendency to keep moving on. Okay, and we also, if you check what oil is doing, US oil, you would see that US oil has also US oil. And US oil moves basically with CAD pairs. So if you want to identify what CAD index is doing or UX oil is doing, that's the same thing you're going to be seeing on a lot of all these CAD pairs, especially CAD. CAD moves with oil, okay? So oil had the rejection here, and that led us to agree that there will still be a upper move, apart from what is happening on the CAD pair as a CAD as an index. Okay, so when you have these two together, it tells us that GBPCAD has the capacity to keep what? To keep selling. So that takes us there. So it's not just about the technical view, because I see a lot of traders, we just want to leverage more on the technicality. But if you can leverage on index view, COT view, order flow view from monthly time frame, you're going to be doing well. You're not just going to be trading basically chart pattern, price action, and the rest of that. Okay, so this is what we have for GBPCAD. And the strategy I use is called the ITC, which is Institutional Trading Concept Approach, which has to do with the market, leveraging basically on technical analysis, leveraging on macro data, COT report before we take decision in the market. Then we go in on lower time frame, we nail it. So we just don't trade technical analysis or supply and demand that the usual traders do. So basically, so if you go to monthly time frame, you'll see that the market has been creating an impulsive move. We had an impulsive move that gave us a correction, and now the market is back here. And if you check, you see that the market is currently obeying this supply zone, this other block. And right now, it got into another retracement back to this place. So this retracement has more room, potential for the market to keep going down more. So the market did that retracement, and back here since January, it's been reading from here. And when it got into that supply zone, it gave us a retracement. And right now, that's where we are. If you go to 6 months, you see that the market is still on the base drop, which is what we see right here. And on this base drop, that means that this AUD card has room to go down for the next 6 months to the next 2 years. Okay, so how can I join this kind of move? I can still go further to 3 months. Okay, and 3 month candle just closed some weeks ago, and it closed with an engulfing. This is for a lot of us that are technical analysts that we like to trade candle pattern. You can see this engulfing on a 6 month supply. And if I zoom this in more, you will agree with me that this has been showing trend. Okay, this has been showing trend. Okay, come down and it cleared it. Okay, so this is your high, your low, your lower high, your higher low, your lower high. Then it gave us a what? A lower low. Now the market has retraced back to the top, and right now we expect the market to drop really down. Woo! So here we go. Right now, since we have this is a supply zone right now. The market is already reacting, so I can take this to monthly, and on this monthly zone, now the market has given me that impulsive. So what do I expect the market to do? For me to go into this trade, I would be expecting the market to come in minimum to this. If you're a supply, if you're an order block trader, I'll be expecting minimum of 50% retracement to this place to go in on a sell. And some of you that say, wow, I'm not a monthly chart trader, you can narrow this down to weekly, you can narrow this down to monthly, to daily. Okay, so this is where we are right now. Okay, so the market has the capacity to pull up back into this place and also to continue from this level for sell to keep selling down, because we already have a high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low. But we had an issue last week, not an issue, just a breach of flow. The market just used this base drop and took off from that sell. Okay, so does that cancels this? No, it only means that there are orders on this, there are on-field orders here that are really, really powerful, and that is why the market got into that place and begin to give us that traction. So either the market comes here, so I have my interested zones here. Okay, so I have my interested zones around these 3 zones. Okay, so either the market comes here for a sell, or comes here for a sell, or comes here for a sell. And that's exactly what happened on this drop-based rally. When the market retraced back, the supply on field orders in this supply zone was powerful enough to change the rules of engagement. If you take that to 4 hours, that means that we can have a potential back retracement back to this place. So I will be looking out for a sell. Let me see if I can have something healthy here. Okay, I'll be looking for a sell here for a retracement for me to sell at this place, and we're good to go. Okay, so the market can actually pick up a sell and keep selling here. And if it breaks above this, that means that we're going to be using this place. Okay, but because of this reaction, there's a high tendency that this place is going to hold. Okay, now currently we have a rejection on this 4 hours flip zone. Rejection on this 4 hours flip zone. Okay, so right now this would have been this morning entry for a buy to the top. So if you go to 15 minutes, you see that the market has been creating a rejection here, back here. You go to 5 minutes, yes. So it has been creating some accumulation structure here. So this could lead us to taking a counter trend to the top. But if you have been following me, I'm not a counter trend lover. I don't like counter trend, especially when it is not on daily chart above. So I would rather prefer to sell from here. Okay, rather prefer to sell from here or to sell from here. So let's see how this goes in the next few weeks. I'll come back again to update us on what CAD JPY is given. So I'll be looking for a sell at this zone or a sell at this flip zone. And if you can have a full retracement to the top, that means that there'll be a lot more opportunity, more room for us to pick a sell from this level to, and that's about over 2,000 pips in a bigger view, which is what I would naturally prefer. I prefer selling from here or selling from here. Just that when the market reacts, a lot of time it doesn't have to give you your full complete move. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks to 2 months. Either the market comes here for me to sell, comes here for me to sell, comes here for me to sell, and in the next 2 weeks or plus, we're going to come again to GBPCAD and we'll talk about it. If you like this kind of content, make sure you click on the subscriber button and notification bell so that you would not miss this kind of analysis whenever we upload it again and again. And make sure you put in your questions below the video. And if you want me to analyze any chart, please put it in the comment below so that I can do that with my team. I'm going to be good to go. Guys, it's going to be an amazing time. And if you're not on the Telegram group, you are missing. We do 2 weeks free. Every month we do twice full training on Forex mistakes, things that a lot of you will naturally know. Those are the content that we put in the Telegram group. So if you are not on the Telegram group, you are missing. Make sure you click on the link below to join the Telegram group because a lot of content is being dropped there every single time. Let me share up my screen and see. I'll tell you what you guys are missing. If you're not on the Telegram group, you're missing a lot. Good. Great. So I put in here last week that trading is principled, trading is full of process. Just trade in alignment with the institutions and you will win consistently. Mo chapter 1 verse 9. I trade what I see, not what I want. Okay, so I drop a lot of setups here for a lot of us to be able to profit in, and I have weekly webinars with a lot of people here. So don't miss it for any reason. If you are not here, that means that you are missing. Okay, so watch out for more. We're expecting this to drop more and more and more and more, and we can make good money for ourselves. I'll see you in the subsequent video. Don't miss it for any reason. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out, guys. Bye-bye.